Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm going to show you amaranth leaves and beetroot stir fry. This recipe is prepared in a traditional way. It can be served as a side dish or you can eat it as it is. Now let's get into the process. We have sorted the amaranth leaves, washed it thrice, then drained it, and we are now finely chopping it and we'll reserve it. Normally, we wash the amaranth leaves 2 to 3 times and make sure there is no mud in it. Then we strain it in a colander and we start chopping it. This is red amaranth leaves and it is very famous here in South. Now here you can see the amaranth leaves I've chopped and reserved. I've also chopped beetroot into tiny cubes and reserved. Chilies, finely chopped onions, then finely chopped garlic, and for the tempering we need split black gram dal, cumin, mustard and asafoetida. Now let's get started. On low to medium flame I've heated a wok, added oil. The first thing I'm adding here is mustard seeds, cumin seeds and split black gram dal. We'll allow all this to splutter. Once all of this splutters and releases its aromas, then we'll add chilies, onion and garlic. We'll fry the chili, onion and garlic. Fry the onion till the onion turns transparent. Now I'll add asafoetida and fry the onions till it turns transparent. All the ingredients used in this recipe, friends, will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. In the blog I posted a detailed recipe. My other social media handle links, Instagram, Facebook and Twitter links will also be listed in the description box below this video. Now here you can see I've added the beetroot and I fried the beetroot. We'll add some salt for the beetroot to absorb the salt. Now once I've added the beetroot and fried it for 2 minutes, I'll add water and I'll cover this and allow the beetroot to cook. Once the beetroot has cooked down, just stir it once and cook it for another 2 minutes. Now add the chopped amaranth leaves and we will stir it and cook it on low to medium flame because it has got that hard stems that also needs to cook down. You can sprinkle some amount of water and cook the amaranth leaves because this particular amaranth leaves, this red color amaranth leaves tends to be slightly rough. It tends to cook a little slow. So you have to sprinkle some water and cook it down. Once I've stirred the amaranth leaves in the beetroot, I'll cover it and allow it to cook. So it will hardly take 5 to 10 minutes for it to cook. If there is excess moisture, just uncover. Allow that excess moisture to reduce on high flame. Now my beetroot and amaranth leaves stir fry is ready. This is perfect for chapati, steam cooked rice, rasam rice, or you can eat it as it is. So it's very nice and tasty. Try this recipe, friends, and post your comments. This is a traditional amaranth leaves and beetroot stir fry. Hope you all enjoyed this video recipe. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.